Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day everyone, my name is Sedibeng Sefadi and my business is called Sedibeng Designs. We were established in 2022 and then we are based in the Vaal. So we're based in the Vaal from the Sedibeng area in Zone 14. The reason I started my business because I am passionate about making unique jewelry that makes you stand out in a crowd and elevates your look. So I make earrings, bracelets and bookmarks. So everything is handcrafted because I wanted something original, something creative and something that stands out. I started my business because I'm passionate about making handcrafted jewelry. Okay, my business, we make handcrafted bracelets, earrings and bookmarks and necklaces that are also unisex for males and females. And then we also make custom made pieces as well, specifically when somebody wants to go to a specific event. And we also make material pieces as well, something to match with your outfit and also make you look unique and authentic so that you can stand out in a crowd. You should buy my products because my products encourage uniqueness, so that you look authentic, so that you stand out in a group, so that you don't look like you're just something that's bought from the store. Because my point and passion is to make you elevate and add to your look. And we are adding to your outfits one piece at a time. Okay. To get in touch with us, we are available on Instagram under Sedibeng, and we're on Facebook as well at _Sedibeng, and then I'm also available on WhatsApp. So my contact number is 078-939-5468. You can also check out our website on www.sedibeng.co.za. Hi, my name is Sedibeng Sefadi and I am a township entrepreneur.